The 5-phase approach to event planning explore 5 key steps to executing a successful event. First, we'll be looking at initiating the project. In this step, you will be meeting your client or clients for the first time. You'll be reviewing with them their objectives, their goals, as well as the purpose of hosting this event. In this step, you will also be exploring who are the stakeholders of the event. Will your client be the main decision maker, or will you be working with a board or a committee? You will also be able to explore with your client their needs versus what your company or yourself as a sole practitioner will be able to provide to the event. In the second step is your planning. And in the planning phase, you will explore what your client's goals and objectives are. You will look at a needs assessment to see what your client event requires and if you are able to supply this. You will also review the cost of hosting this event, how you will go about marketing the event, the materials, equipments, and services needed from suppliers and vendors, as well as explore the risk, if any, associated with this event. Step 3 is execution. And execution is the step that most people tend to be familiar with, as it's the step that is more visual or is more visible when you attend an event. And execution involves running the event, that is, putting all your planning into action. Step 4 is wrap up and reporting. Here you will be looking at the end of the event, closing the event, doing your cleanup, tear down, paying final bills, as well as collecting revenue from your client. This is where you'll be sending out your invoices. Or if you're looking at more large-scale corporate events, this is also the step where you'll be completing surveys, submitting financial reports to your client or your managers, as well as working on any publications such as media thank yous, a YouTube video thanking your sponsors, or any other publications highlighting what has happened at the event. Step 5, lessons learned. In this step is where you will usually complete what I call my post-mortem analysis. You will look at what has worked and what did not, what can be improved, and what you can learn from. This, in my opinion, is one of the most important steps in event planning, as this gives you an opportunity to collect data from your attendees or your clients and apply it to future projects, which is crucial for the development of a successful event planner.